Hello, today we are taking apart the QCY Melobuds N70 True Wireless Earbuds, part of the TechInsights Teardown video series. Teardown of the SoundPeats Air 5 Pro Plus. You may remember that those earbuds featured XMEMS CAL solid-state speaker drivers. Like the SoundPeats, the QCY Melobuds N70 also incorporates MEMS speaker technology. Down will examine the QCY Melobuds N70's external design, internal electronics, and most importantly, take a close look at the MEMS speaker assembly. Where premium TWS designs have often paired a dynamic driver with a balanced armature for the high-frequency element, the Melobuds N70 instead pairs the dynamic driver with a MEMS tweeter. The USound hybrid audio module is round, housing the Obo electrodynamic woofer and the USound Conamara MEMS tweeter. It has a diameter of 5 millimeters. MEMS technology is attractive because of its compact size and semiconductor-based manufacturing, but the goal in the Melobuds N70 is not to replace the conventional speaker entirely. Instead, QCY uses a USound hybrid dual driver acoustic design in the Melobuds N70 that combines an Obo Pro .2 ring-shaped dynamic driver with a USound Conamara MEMS tweeter. The dual design means each part within the module can reproduce the frequencies it handles most effectively. As a reminder, you can watch the full teardown on the TechInsights platform. Registration for the platform is free, and users can explore additional free content, including videos, insights, and reports from TechInsight experts and market analysts.